School safety is a paramount concern, and a company is proposing a controversial high-tech solution: drones. Today, we're diving into the details of this innovative, yet divisive, new defense system. This new solution involves drones capable of extreme speeds, flying at 100 miles per hour, even flying through windows and physically engaging a suspect. The drones are called Black Arrows and are the core component of the Campus Guardian Angels defense system by the Mithril Defense Company. Let's explore how these drones are designed to operate and where they are being tested. The Black Arrows are currently being piloted in select schools across Georgia and Florida, testing their effectiveness in real-world environments. The Black Arrows are equipped with multiple deterrent features. They can emit a loud shrieking noise, flash strobe lights, and even shoot pepper spray to subdue an assailant until law enforcement arrives. The drones are stored on campus and activated by a silent alarm. They are controlled remotely by expert pilots from the company's headquarters in Texas. The strategy behind Arrows is focused on speed and interception. The drones are specifically designed to encounter an assailant faster than law enforcement can arrive, aiming to interrupt attackers sooner and reduce potential casualties. To achieve this speed, the company creates detailed 3D images of the campus, including hallways and classrooms, for pilots to follow precise flight paths. The drones are deployed in groups of 3 and can relay real-time video footage directly to law enforcement, providing critical situational awareness. However, even with their high-tech capabilities, the Black Arrow system has certain limitations. Due to their multiple functions and high-speed operation, the drones have a limited battery life, ranging between 10 to 15 minutes of operational time. In terms of financial cost, the Black Arrow's defense system is estimated to cost around $8 per student per month. As with any new and controversial technology, the community reaction has been mixed. The parental community is divided. Some parents are strong supporters of the system, seeing it as a necessary defense, while others remain critical of the approach. To summarize the Black Arrow system, this high-tech drone system aims to revolutionize school safety through fast, automated interception and deterrence capabilities. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe.